Hello, welcome to our third day this video. In this, I will explain the rest of programs which is we were doing from the past few days based on while loop. Okay, and in today's class, I have completed till Armstrong number. Okay, I hope you are understanding these things. Now, next program which I am going to solve. Actually, I will solve today five more programs till from 16 to 20, whatever programs are there. These programs I will complete today. Okay, one by one I will solve this. So let me copy this. Let me copy all these. Okay, one by one. Let me copy these programs. And now let me share directly on VS Code, and there only I will let you know how to solve these programs. Okay. So first of all, you should understand what is perfect number. Okay. What is the perfect number? So that you need to learn. So let me first take the folder where we are making our this program, and I added this folder. Now you will get the all entire folder, programs which we are doing. So here I will take one file. I will give the name of file perfect.py, and I will hit enter. Now you are in the this particular editor where you will write the program for this particular. Okay. And one thing I will do here, I will snooze my AI recommendation because you have to see the flow of a code, and you also put the practice, okay, to learn the logic. So maybe the video will go up to 40 minutes. So please bear with me and try to learn. But first, let me share the whiteboard where I will explain what is the, I can say the perfect number. So perfect number is nothing but it's a sum of all divisors of a number except the number itself. Please mind it. Except the number itself. Okay. All the divisors, sum of all the divisors equals to the number. Then it is called as perfect number. Means let's take 6. Okay. 6. 6 is what? 6 is what? It's a perfect number. Okay. It's a perfect number. Okay, let me remove it. How? How you will say that? You see, 6 can divide by 1, 6 can divide by 2, 6 can be divided by 3, and you add this, the resultant will come 3, 6 only. But that should not, you should not take the same number. Okay. Similarly, 28, you see, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14. These all are divisor of 20. I mean, you can easily divide by this, and you add these, you will get the same number. And rest of a few more numbers are there, like 496, 8128 also. These are called as perfect number. Keep in mind. This program you have to do. What is the program? Let me share the VS Code. Now this is VS Code. Check whether the given number is perfect number or not. This program you have to do. How you will do that? First let me write the code, then I will discuss about it. Okay. So I will take one variable num as usual, and I will take the user input the best way. uh, so as usual, what we are doing, that we will do, and I will type here, enter the number for which you wanted to check the whether number is what you are calling it perfect number or not. Then to start the looping condition, I will take one more variable I, and I will assign beginning 1. So from 1 I will start checking. Then sum of divisor. Okay. You saw their condition. So for that only I'm writing this. So one more variable I will take. There later on I will store my final result, and I will compare that whether that is perfect number or not. So beginning I will take 0. Now I will apply the while loop. Since this all programs whatever we are doing under while loop only we are doing, the same program you can run through for loop also, it is up to you. First let me complete this through while loop. Later on I will start uh, providing a video with for loop also, right? So while I less, condition you have to give while less equals to num. Okay, till then condition will run until the condition will true. This loop will go on, and in that you check if. if num modulus I equals to 0, then what you will do here, sum of div equals to sum of div plus I. Okay, this I wanted to tell. I will come out from the loop, then I will increment the loop, I mean this I value, till the condition will true, it will go on. Okay, increment I will do one by one. Now again I will give the condition. I will check whether if sum of division is equals to num, sum of division is equals to num, you will say that this is perfect number. This is perfect number. Otherwise, we will type here, this is not perfect number, right? So it's good idea to do like that. Okay, this is the code. I will save it. I will run it. I will run it. Observe here it is asking number. First, let me give some, I mean, non-perfect number. Any number you can take. Let's say 32. I wanted to get whether 32 is the perfect number or not. You see here, not a perfect number. Now, again I will run. Okay. Again I will run. It is telling enter the number. I will this time give the perfect number. As I told you, 28 is the perfect number, or 6 is the perfect number. So, sorry, why it is telling? Means some mistakes I have made. Let me cross verify. Number you have taken. Every time else part is coming. So what went wrong? So you have taken one I and
Morning.
it is required to cross verify. I think we should run the condition till I less than num only. Okay, then only it will work out. Let me run it again. And now let me give the 6. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah. Now let me save it. Now let me give the number 6. And you see, it's a perfect number. It is coming, it's a perfect number. But what happened here? What happened here? How it is working out? So, the entire idea, let me take the entire code on the whiteboard so that I can trace the code. Now, guys, you all bring in the practice of doing this so that you can learn properly. So this I pasted here and this is the code. Now I need to trace it. How I will trace it? You observe here. It's very easy. Only maths, if you are doing simple maths we have to do. Condition started from here. So I will start from here only. Now observe here. uh, I have taken number 6. I'm considering it 6 is the perfect number. So I am just checking how it is working out. So I is 1 at first condition. I is 1. Okay. You have assigned in the variable taken declaration type. So 1 is less than 6. Condition is true. You will come inside the loop. Then num. Num value have taken 6. You observe here this point 6 and modulus I. I means your 1 equals to 0. Condition is true. Condition is true or false. So, so condition is true, right? Condition is true. So you will come inside the if condition. And here you will write sum div equals to beginning. You see here, you have taken beginning, the sum div value 0. So 0 plus I means 1. So result is 1. Okay. Now second stage. Sorry. Yeah. This loop will get increment by 1. So this I become 2. So this I will go here again. So 2 is less or equal to 6. Condition is true. Again you will come inside. It will go on. Understood now? This loop will go on. Then if num is what? Now num you have 6 yeah 6 div I value 2 equals to 0. Yeah, condition is true. You will come inside if condition. Then again sum div, and this time sum div value is 1 and I value is 2. So this become 3. Okay, this become 3. Again, I will get increment by 2 to 3. Okay, are you understanding? These three lines I am always doing here. So this is how I am considering the condition. Then I am writing here up. Okay, third stage. So 3 is, again you compare here, I 3 less than 6, condition is true, come inside. If num means again 6 modulus 3 equals to 0, condition true, then it will add sum div equals to sum div. Sum div is now I have 3. So 3 plus I, okay, I. This you can write like sum div equals to sum div plus I, right? Both are same only. So this is what I'm doing here. 3 plus, what was the I value? I value was 3. So you are getting 6. Understood? Next, fourth stage, I will increment by 1. I become 4. So now observe here, 4 is less than 6. Yeah, it is, condition is true. Then you will evaluate this condition. So if 6 modulus 4 equals to 0, condition is true or false? Tell me. So based on that, so now condition get, now you are getting 2. So this condition will get false. So once this condition will get false, you will come out from loop, and then whatever value you got, you will compare here. Okay, I am comparing here. Now you have a sum div value 6 and your taken value 6, condition true. So you will say perfect number. This is how you have to do this tracing. Okay. You do step by step, since I have a space problem, or I will organize it properly from next onwards. So you just rewatch it again, you will come to know. Now let me take you on the VS Code so that you will have a proper idea. So this is how this code is working. And if you want to debug it, that also I can show you. I can show you how to do that. Uh, for that, first you have to apply the breakpoint, then you have to go to run and start debugging. Okay. Now it is asking Python debugger, Python file. Now you see here the informations are coming. Okay, let me run it again. It is still coming, a bit slow. So here variables, local variables, global other information, and you are here. Now you have to start over. So first you have declared user defined input. Okay, num variable. Now it is asking number. Let me take the number this time 28. Might it will go longer, but you will understand. Hit enter. Now I num value you have taken 28 from the user. Now I you have declared 1 and some division you have declared 0 for the calculation purpose. Now while you have given condition loop 1 is less than this one. So you observe here. Okay, whatever I have explained. So now this condition is there. Condition is true. It will come inside. It will evaluate and it will go on. Now it will go on till the condition is true. Observe here. Just observe here how numbers are getting changed and what is happening there. Once condition will get false, this will come out from the loop. Okay. This will come out from the loop and it is going for checking for till 28. So it will take some time. Let me do it. And you observe here how numbers are getting changed. Okay. I'm doing a bit fast. Now I think it is sum div equals to 28. I equals to 18. Still it will go. Okay. 19 till 28 it will go. Let me take it until condition is true. It will go 28. I is 28 now. Now you are out. And it is telling yes, it's a perfect number. Observe here in your output point. It's a perfect number. You observe here. You observed, I think, how interpreter is performing the loop operation. Got it now? So please mind it and work on. Do practice. You will come to know what exactly happening here. Now, uh, what is the next program? Next program, find all prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay. This program I will do, and this 18 number program you do. I will give the task. Then Fibonacci I will do. The sum of Fibonacci you do. So I will first do the print all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. So first of all, what is prime number? So let me copy it. Let me copy it. Share the VS Code, and here it is. And now I will take one more file here, prime dot py. Okay, guys, you please do practice. It is very important. If you are not doing, I don't know how then you will manage, but you should do. Time is there, and that's why I am putting this effort for you only. Okay. So print all prime numbers between 1 to 100. First of all, what is prime number? So the number which is either divisible by 1 or by itself, called as prime number. Called as prime number. How you will do that? How you will do that? That program first you have to write. So, 0 and 1 is not a part of a prime number. The minimum, the lowest prime number is 2 only. It is fact, maths fact. You want to explore it, why it is, what is this, define what basis. You please explore it. You will come to know. But I will write the Python code with the help of while loop. Okay. So here I will take one variable num. Let's say I will check for whether 2 is prime number or not. Then I will run one loop while num, and the condition is given numbers between 1 to 100. As I told you, 0 and 1 is not a prime number. The lowest prime number is 2 only. So num less or equals to 100. Till here you have to run the code. Okay. Now, I will take one condition, that the condition will start from 2, and I will take one variable and I will say prime, is prime. Don't worry, I will properly explain it, what going on. I will say true. I will say true. Then again, nested, I will use here nested while loop. First time I'm using a nested while loop. You may make it a simple manner also, it is up to you. Better use for loop to get the answer easily. I, and then num, integer division by 2 colon, and I will check if num divisible by, I mean modulus, I equals to 0, then is prime. You assign it as a false. Okay. Now, please be careful what I am writing here. Then go back from the loop and write here. Uh, and I teach you what is the purpose of break. Break is used to stop the loop condition if condition is not meeting. Okay. Equals to 1. Now come out. If is prime, if is prime, true, simple. You have assigned now. Then you print number, and the loop will continue till the, I mean, you are incrementing this number till the loop is true. This is what code I have written. Now let me explain what this code meaning is. What I have done here. So I want to check whether 5 is prime number or not. Okay, 5 is prime number or not. Put here. 5 is prime number or not. 5 modulus 2. Condition false, it will come out. Okay, let me first run it, then I will explain. So I executed, and this one, and it is telling, oh, some mistake happened. Okay, what mistake happened? So we have to cross verify. Okay. By mistake, I have kept here too. Yeah, you have to write num. Okay, then it will print correctly. Okay, so let me clear it so that you get correct output. You have to print all the prime number between 1 to 100. Lowest prime number 2, and maximum it will go 97, I think. Okay, so Why 97? Because 97 is divisible by either 1 or itself only. That's why the prime number criteria is the number should be divisible by 1 or itself. Okay, let me run it. Now I'm running. Observe here 97, 89. I mean, these are the prime number printed. I hope you got the idea. Now, how code is working, let me explain. So, to debug it, what I will do, I will take this code. Okay. So, let me debug it. So, I will add the breakpoint. I will add the breakpoint. Then I will start debugging. And guys, please observe how the flow of code is going on. I will start over. Now, number beginning, I started from first prime number 2, checking condition in the loop whether 2 is less or equal to 100. Yes, my motto is to define what are the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Then, then start divisor, and I have taken a starting divisor 2 only. Then first time I'm assuming that the whatever number is there prime number, or else you can say whatever 1 to 100 numbers are there, all are prime number only. But later on I will prove by this calculation whether number is whatever prime or not. So which are the prime, the based on condition that will automatically you will fetch. So that's why two while loops are there. Okay. So second while loop is only to check the divisor, right? So let me make this simple for you. Now this I have taken for I mean starting divisor, assuming that the number is prime only, then I am taking the second loop, and this is to checking the divisors. Okay, this will check the divisors. So 2 is less or equal to num, particular number is divisible or not. I told you now, the prime number or number which is either divisible by 1 we will not consider here, whether it is divisible by itself or not. Hmm? And you are checking here integer division by 2. Okay, so so actually the code idea is behind that why we have a 2 only. Yeah, it is coming might in your mind because 0 and 1 is not a prime number. 2 is the first prime number. Okay. And why you have written here is prime true. So because we are assuming that every number is a prime until proven other side of that number. Okay. So for example, take any number 7. Initially, you choose it prime, then you check here whether that is divisible by 2. Since you know, if you check by 3, you will not get divisibility. This is satisfying or not. So you see here 7 is not divisible by 2. So this you are telling if it is divisible, false. So it is, I mean, 7 is not divisible. So this will come out and it will say it's a prime and it will print out. So this you can assume. Now observe here what code will do. So this is first number we have taken for the divisor purpose. Okay. Next, we are assuming that all numbers are prime number. Then you are telling that I equals to 2, num equals to 2. Yes, it is divisible. So number is prime only. So 2 is prime number and it is printing. Now it is coming out from the conditions and it is printing. Yes, number is 2 is a prime number. Okay. Now num become 2 from 2 to 3. Now num become 3. 3 is less than or equal to 100. Now observe here and you know it will go on till 100. So num I equals to 2 is there. I am considering that 3 is prime number. Now observe here. 3 is divisible by 2. Hmm? No, condition is yeah. What is the meaning of here? Let me, what is this? Undo. I think. Okay, I can't go back. So 3 is also prime number. Let me take 4. Okay, here you will understand. So 4 is prime number or not? You see here, 4 is completely divisible. So it will come inside. It is completely divisible, and you are telling it's false. And you have already assumed that 4 was prime number. So you are telling it's false. So it is not a prime number. And here only loop will get stop. That's why the break you have used. Understood the break application? Now next num become 5. Now 5 you check, it is a prime number or not. You see here is prime number. You are telling it's a false. Now it is coming here, it is coming here, and you are incrementing. Now I become 3. Yes, it is true. Now it will go on. Now I need to do this till and you side by side see what are the prime numbers are satisfied the criteria that is printing here. It will go on. Okay. So I'm just coming out from this because 100 times I have to print, and I hope you got the idea. If you're not getting, let me simplify it for you so that you understand the logic. Okay. So the purpose is of the code, this is nothing but this I have taken the first prime number. Okay. Then condition you are checking. Okay. Then it will increase the number till 100 you go and cross check whether which number is prime or not. For that, these conditions you have applied. Now, how these conditions are working, why these conditions are working. So the reason behind, you have considered that all the 1 to 100 numbers are prime number only, but many numbers are there which is not a prime number, means that might divisible by 2, 3, or other numbers also. Any number can be a divisible. Okay. But one criteria is there. Why you are choosing this? See, if number is 10, suppose number is 10. So maximum divisibility you will get for 5 only. You can't divide 10 by 6. So this is why you have written 2. Half portion only you want to check. Okay. For the divisibility. Okay. Now, why this 2 you have taken? The reason behind that, every number is divisible by 1. So no use. So you have taken I equals to 2. Okay. Now, condition. Condition is given that will basically what I was telling. Till half only you can divide. After that you will not get the any divisibility. Then you are checking, is number is divisible? If yes, that is not a prime number. If number is not divisible, then only you will say that that number is a prime number, and it will increase the I value. Okay. And break only if it is divisible, you come out. Not required. You don't want to print out because you have to print only divisible value. Okay. And this is how it will go on. And a bit tricky, I hope, but you revise it multiple times, you will come to know. Okay. Now I'm stopping this program here only. And let me share the first this PDF. And this program you do by yourself, that check whether the given number is prime number or not. Okay, you do by yourself. Now I'm going to do this Fibonacci series. I will print the Fibonacci series. That is very good program. Okay, I was thinking to do this in the classroom only, but okay, fine. Here only I'm giving the idea. Fibonacci dot py, right? And now my task is, first of all, what is Fibonacci series? Okay, Fibonacci series. Let me give the idea. Okay, I hope this whiteboard is visible. Now, Fibonacci series is, I have copied, so let me take this. Okay, so Fibonacci series is nothing but there is a series which is starting from 0 and 1. These two are fixed. The next number, whatever it will come after these two numbers, that will be the addition of these two. So 0 plus 1 equals to 1. So what you are getting here, the previous two digits, last two digits are getting sum and giving you us in the sequence the next number. So next number always you will get the addition of a previous two. So 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the next. Okay. Now, what would be the next? These two previous addition of values. So this become 3. What would be next? 3 plus 2, 5. What would be next? 5 plus 3, 8. What would be next? 5 plus 8, 13. So you are observing it will go up to n number. Your task is to print the Fibonacci series up to n terms. So first you take these two, 0, 1, it is fixed. And the sequence will come by the addition of previous two numbers. The next number of which will come in the sequence by addition of previous two number called as Fibonacci series. This kind of a code you have to do. And how to do the code that I will take you on the VS Code. Directly I will write the code. It's very easy and simple to understand. I hope this is VS Code. Okay. Now you are there. Now let me write the Fibonacci series. Okay. So to do that, first I will take one number. Okay. For which if how long you want to check. Okay. Because it is telling till and terms. So that and you select. Okay. As a user. So int and I will check. Okay. I will take the user input. How long Fibonacci series you want to print? Okay. Obviously, and times you are not going to do. And here's the user input. Now next. First number I am telling I have taken variable a in that is storing first number 0. Okay. Next, I will take one more number. As I told you, these two numbers are fixed. So b equals to 1. So two variables I have taken assigned first beginning two values 0 and 1s. Till here, I don't think that any problem is there. Now you count. You count. I will tell why this count is there and all. Everything. This is counter and equals to I will assign the 0 first beginning. Later it will increase. Okay. Later it will increase. Next, while I will provide the condition. Now guess what condition I should give here. Count is count is less than count is less than n. Understood? Till then condition will go. Now print print a print a and some space I will give here explicitly. Some space I am giving here so that there is no problem. Okay. Okay. Some space I will give so that in between numbers you will get the spaces. So A will be telling that the next number. Okay. A will tell which is the next number. So see, one more variable I am taking. One A plus B. You know, A is the previous number, B is the previous number. To generate the next number. Next number is C. Okay. So this is what you are doing. Calculating the next number. I hope you are getting. Next, A equals to B. A equals to B. Update A. You want to update the A because every time you have to update. Then update the B also. And how you will update the B? Observe here. B by C. Okay. B by C. And then increase the count. Increase the count by 1. Okay. Now done. Your code is done. Now, let me take you again on this one whiteboard so that I can explain it for your simplicity. Consider this value is A, this value is B, and this value is C. Understood? This you have written in the code. Okay. How this is coming? So obviously A plus B. Then you are changing that. Now this become A and this become B. And how you are getting? By swapping A equals to B. So as soon as you see previously it was B. So the B value assigned to A and B equals to C means now the C value assigned to B. Every time you have to do this. Okay, for all. This will go on. This is what the code is telling. I hope you are understanding now what I am doing here. So done. Now save it. Let me run it. And it is asking how long you want. So let's say 10 till 10 terms I want a Fibonacci series. Observe here, easily you can observe that in the output part, you can observe here 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Addition of previous two number, you are getting the next number. Okay, every time. This is called as Fibonacci series. How it is working? I hope you are understanding. I hope you are understanding. It's very easy code. And may take you on whiteboard last moment just to clarify this. If any doubt is there, you may ask in your classroom. Okay. This is the code which we have written. Now, let me check. Let me explain the code, how this is working. Okay. So here I will take this one. Okay. Now observe here. I have taken 10. First two numbers, A is 0, B 1. Okay. Now count you will use for the counter. It will count. The condition will go on. 0 less than n. N is what? 10. Condition is true. Okay, fine, no problem. Till condition will get true, this loop will run. That's why we have incremented count by 1. Okay, now you come inside, print A. A is what? A is what? 0 printed. Okay, now add it. Add it. A plus B. A plus B means C equals to A plus B. 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, now 0 plus 1, 1. Now this becomes C. Okay. Now swap it. How we will swap? Now this B become A and this C become B. Okay. And again perform addition. This will go on. This will go on till the condition is true. Till the counter will true. It will go on. It will go on and it will produce the addition of everything. And this is how this code is working out. So I'm stopping this video here only. And before that, let me take you on this PDF part and let me remind you the task. The perfect number we have done, prime number between 1 to 100 we have done, and check whether number is prime or not. This is task I have given to you. You please do it. Fibonacci series up to n terms just now we have completed, and find the sum of Fibonacci series that you do by yourself. Okay. So till 20, you please be ready with this code. Put practice. If any doubt is there, please ask in classroom. I will explain it. Okay. Next video onwards, I will give the answers for these programs. Okay. We have a programs. We have a lot of programs that we will do. That for loop programs also, nested program also, back and continue based, and these kind of a series program. So we'll do that. Okay. So now I'm stopping here only. Thank you. Watch it, utilize it, learn it. This is all important. Okay. Thank you.